Happy Sunday morning. It's the day after Canada Day, so it's July the 2nd, and I am going to do some work on the Volvo today. And some of that work involves installing these in the back end, as well as, where did I put it? An O2 sensor in the exhaust. The car for a bit. I've got one of the sway bar arms changed, and I'm having trouble getting the other one off. It's on there tight, or one of the bolts is, or nuts actually. I'm gonna have to use some heat. I broke that. Oh jeez. I broke this. It's actually shorter now. It was about a quarter of an inch longer, that much longer. I just knocked that out and put the broken piece in. Hopefully that'll work. Okay, I gotta get under there, get heat on it. Can you tell which one I broke? Yeah, that one there. I'm not gonna worry about that. It's a Princess Auto tool, so it'll be replaced for free, but it still works right now. So I've got everything changed now except for my oxygen sensor. I've got to turn the car around to do that. The sway bar linkages I just changed. What happens is they get loose in here. It's just like a tie rod end. The ball and socket thing. They get loose and they wobble. It makes the suspension make noises. So they're changed. After a long and hard fought battle, there's my oxygen sensor. That's the one that goes in the cat. So here's my new one. Check to make sure we got the same things. The old O2 sensor, the new O2 sensor. This one's, well, they wear out. I'm gonna go put this on. Done it. The Volvo's done. I just have to hook up the battery again. But I've bled all the brakes, and so I've got my new fluid in it all throughout, which is great. And got the oxygen sensor done. And now we're just off to the mechanics on Tuesday for a quick alignment because of my suspension parts I've changed. And we should be good to go. Just put the key in the car. Since I've inserted the battery, everything makes noises. It's the CD changer counting the discs. Well, I've got all the car stuff done that I can do for today. There is one other thing I'd like to do, and that's add a 12-volt plug to the Volvo. And right now I'm on my way to the Princess store, where I'm going to find a 12-volt plug, as well as a bunch of other goodies. I've got to pop into Lens Mills too, because I need curtains for the boat, and Lens will have them. The Princess store. Just leaving the Princess store. I got what I wanted, I think. We'll find out soon enough. I'm off to Lens Mills now to grab some fabric and make some curtains for the boat. Pretty simple, but we need them. I think I'm gonna go with white. I should go with black, actually. Jeez, that'd look good. I think I'm gonna go with black. That lens. Got cat toys and material. I took the mast down and taken some measurements of the door, or the companionway, so I can make my screening for the bugs, keep the bugs out. Okay, there's my template right there. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. Well, I guess I'm not leaving yet. I'm gonna put the ladder on. There's the new ladder. That'll work just fine. Well, I just talked to my beautiful wife. She is on a train on her way home to London. I'm just leaving the yacht club and I'm gonna go home and get something to eat. I've got about 2 hours before she gets here. Got Kitty a new toy. It's wearing her out. That's it. So tired Kitty. She's been playing with it for about 20 minutes. Get it, Casey. Action! Crazy cat doesn't listen. I had to wash the cars. Elapsed time was 16 minutes for 2 cars. I got the call. Going to get Heidi. She said she's 10 minutes away. It's lots of time to get to the train station. There she is. Hi, sweetie. I'm good. Miss you. You did good. Yeah. Cat kept me entertained though. Yeah. Cat never stopped. She misses people's. Yeah. She misses attention. So where do you want to go? Home?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Please click the clicky things and tell your mom.